Good morning, this is Don DiBartolo, a senior broker with Daniels Trading. I'm coming to you from Chicago with your IMA live stock indices snapshot for Thursday, May the 14th. The current market sentiment is more gains early, but bad data is eventually bearish to equities. Currently, the mini S&P is up 13 points, the mini Dow is up 120, the NASDAQ is up 33.5, and the mini Russell is up 560. Global equity markets were mostly higher during the initial morning hours, with focus on global bond markets. The Japanese Nikkei was laggard in overnight action, with some of that weakness coming from yesterday's soft U.S. retail sales figure. China's Shanghai Composite finished marginally higher, with upside leadership coming from strength in telecom shares. Trading activity across Europe was somewhat cautious given sharp declines in German bunds in recent sessions, as well as the Ascension Day public holiday. U.S. equity markets traded sharply higher during the early morning hours, with the June S&P 500 up 0.5% above the 21 even level, ahead of the U.S. opening. Of interest in this morning's U.S. economic calendar is a reading on April producer prices that is expected to match the 0.2% month-over-month gains from March. Also of interest will be a reading on weekly initial jobless claims that have recently fallen to its lowest level since 2000, but those figures are expected to tick higher today. For today's trading session, it appears that the June S&P 500 is going to retest Friday's non-farm payroll report high of 2113. We still think it will be difficult for the index to overtake and challenge the contract high, as too much bad data should rekindle valuation fears, and too much more soft data might begin to question the U.S. recovery assumption. For more futures market commentary, including detailed technicals and trade recommendations, visit www.danielstrading.com/IMA. This is Don DiBartolo reporting from Daniels Trading in Chicago. Happy trading.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Trading broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.